guys, what's up? My name is Manit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Manit. So I'm gonna help you guys with what all things to pack when you guys are coming to the UK. So currently I'm living in London and I graduated 2 months ago. So I know what the struggles are, and when I came for the first time I remember what all mistakes I might have made, the things that I should have carried and the things I shouldn't have carried. Without wasting any time, let's just directly get on the video. The first thing what I would talk about is the luggage allowance that you have while traveling. So if you're booking your tickets, so before that just keep in mind and just have a check on if you're allowed to carry an extra luggage, because I travel from Air India most of the times, and if you have a student visa then they usually allow you to carry another big suitcase. So usually you get 23 kgs each. When you're booking your ticket for the UK, you will get like two suitcases of 23 kgs with your cabin bag that's separate. For students, there's a possibility that they will allow you another 23 kg suitcase. So that would be really nice that you can carry like 3 suitcases with you, and that would be the best thing, you have more things that you can carry. Second, I would talk about the clothes, the most important thing. So what I would suggest is that you get jeans, you get trousers, you get whatever you want, but don't get it in like a really big quantity because you get everything here. For clothes especially, most of my clothes that I wear are from London itself. Like, I carried a lot of clothes. I carried like jackets and all of that, many jackets, but that is just gonna take your weight, because like those jackets that you're gonna get from India are actually not made for the temperatures that are over here, because it's always very cold here. It's better that you get it from here. And there are many cheap shops as well, like to Primark. You can go to anywhere else. Primark is like the best thing. Like, you can get anything if you want cheap stuff, because I know it can get a little expensive when you come here and buy things, but it's like a one-time investment. So like, you can wear the same jacket every single day, because that's what many people usually do. Like, they have one jumper, or like they have one jacket that they wear every day, and that's how it works. Inside, whatever you want to wear, you can wear. But with that, you can carry some tops that you like, some party wears if you're gonna party here, some of your favorite clothes that you think you will wear in London. But I don't think you should go specifically like for shopping for like a lot of clothes. Go for shopping, get something new, whatever you want, but don't just get like a lot of clothes. Then carry like undergarments, of course, for the safer side. As soon as you come here, usually people come during the time of September, so you can just carry some hoodies which you can wear as soon as you land here, because it will get cold, or like a jacket, anything that you have. And later, within the next few weeks, you can buy new clothes, but then don't waste your luggage in just clothes. Next, the toiletries. So for that, you can carry face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoos, conditioner, shower gels. If you shave or something and you're okay with shaving and not waxing and stuff, which you usually do, or you can just carry wax strips, or you can carry your razors, the regular razors that you use. And also you get these face razors that you can use. So I did carry that, and that helped me out a lot. So one of the most important ones, which is the kitchen things. For food, I would suggest to carry Maggie, because you don't want to, as soon as you land, you don't want to like go out and like go shopping and all of that, because you won't have that sort of time. You may not be sure that where do I go, what do I get. So I would suggest, if you're coming to the UK, then you should just get a pack of Maggie for safer side. You can get those Maggie pastas as well, which is instant. You can just make it anytime. Carry your dals. I carried 3-4 of them, different kinds of dals, but to be honest, I'm not the person who eats dal chawal that much, because I'm not a fan of it. Please don't hate me on that. I did cook it sometimes, but it just did not turn out the way I wanted to. But I got this what do you call it, moong dal. Ask your parents, I don't know. Like, you can carry like 2 or 3, whichever you like. With the dal, you can have, like, if you know how to knead a dough, know how to make rotis and all, then you can get atta as well, which you can get like the small one, this much you can get that as well. And carry chocolates. I think energy bars and chocolates are good if you can get it, because sometimes when you're going to uni, you don't have the time to actually cook lunch every single day and take it to uni, so you can just have those for like a small snack or something, which I used to do most of the times. You can carry some snacks as well, like I carried kurkure, lays, the flavors that you don't get here. Mainly kurkure and lays because they are my favorite things. And then the most important is masalas. So you don't get good masalas here. Like you will get, they will say okay this is chili powder, but it will literally have no taste in it. I would suggest you to get like at least 2 small bags of each, or like even one is fine. I think it depends actually on you, because I keep visiting India, so like I can keep getting it. But then if you want, you can get one big pack of each, which will be healthy. Red chili powder, what else, this kitchen king thing, I think it's a mix of everything, like a curry powders I think, and garam masala, magic masala, I don't know what all you get. And coffee, if you have any specific coffees that you like, for example, like I love Sleepy Owl, so I don't think so you get it in UK. So I got Sleepy Owl for myself. Else you do get Nescafe Gold and all of that. Everything you get, all the types of coffees you get, like the amazing coffees as well here. Don't get salt, don't get sugar. One of my friends, she told me recently, like now that it might be a problem to get salt or sugar, because they might just it might be termed as something else, if you know what I mean, you know, salt and sugar, so it would be a problem. So don't carry that. You can get salt over here, sugar over here, like you get good prices, everything will be fine. I totally understand that, you know, everyone's like trying to see like, you know, which one is going to be cheap, which one is expensive, but I feel like food wise London is fine. Like there are many different kinds of stores. There is Tesco, there's Asda, there's Aldi, there is Lidl's, Sainsbury's as well. All of these are like good options. So next up are the utensils. When I came, I did carry what really depends on your accommodation. Like if you're staying in a student accommodation, I think they would provide you with some things, but for the safer side, if you're even staying in a flat share or like a student accommodation or having your own place, then make sure to carry one thing each, like one plate or 2 plates. Carry 2 forks, 2 spoons, or 2 knives. As soon as you go, you can be safe with like, yes, I have something to eat, I have something to eat in. Carry a water bottle, and then you don't need to buy soap that you to clean your utensils, because you get it here. Like it's fine, even you even get the foam. Then carry a cooker. If you're from India, then I'm sure you will need a cooker. Get the small one, which is for like an individual person that you usually use. Like I got the one which was for like 1 liter or 1.5 liters, like the small one. Get a set of frying pans. So when I came, I got like a frying pan. With that there's a plain like a pan, and then there's another like in which you can cook, like, you know, there are 3. So I got the whole set, I got it with me, and then with that I got some big spoons to, like, you know, make the food. Yeah, so bowls and like other things which are not so necessary, you can get it here. There's something known as Poundland. So over here when you go, so get those bowls, and like the cute stuff also you can just get for £1. So that's one of the cheap options that you can go for. And I would suggest you to try and get a kettle. Even though in India most of the households we don't usually use a kettle to, like, you know, heat water or whatever, but it is very very important over here as a student or as a person living here, because why will I go boiling water all the time? Just like put it in the kettle, just let it boil, and then you can just use this instantly. It's very important. So if you get like a small size one for yourself, that's it, then you can get it. Else you can also buy it from here, but then it'll be a little expensive, but then not that much. Like there'll be a difference, but then it's really on you. If you have the space, then you can get it, else you can buy it from here. That's not a problem. There's a place called Argos which sells all these things. You can also get it anywhere, like be it Asda or like be it any grocery store, also you can get the kettles. Okay, so electronics. Get your chargers, laptop. If you're gonna get your laptop and you've already bought it from India, then good. Else you can buy laptops from here also. I got a new laptop from India itself. With that, the most important thing is to carry the adapter. So this is the travel adapter, which is very important. Everything here, you can use Indian ones here. So there are many settings. So it's good to get it for using your chargers, be it your laptop charger, whatever. If it's possible, you can get like 2-3 of them. I carried like one and I kind of struggled. You can get an extension board from India. Don't get it from here. You will not get what you want. You will just get the ones of UK only. Like, be it whatever, you will not get the extension boards that has this kind of a thing. Also, to iron your clothes, buy an iron from here. Don't get it from India. There's something which is really cool. I haven't tried it yet, but then there's this spray liquid kind of a thing. My flatmate told me about it. There's this spray liquid kind of a thing that just removes the crease from your clothes. I never knew about that, and that's the coolest thing ever. So yeah, do that. You can do that, or you can buy an iron which you'll get at Argos. Again, you'll get for £15 or something, same price as India. Hello, sorry to interrupt, but I forgot to mention that you need to carry your medicines as well. Carry whatever medicines your doctors has prescribed. Also keep the prescription certificate. If there would be any problems in the airport or something, which usually wouldn't happen, but carry your basic medicines that you need for, like, headaches and all of that. Carry painkillers. Then if you have migraine, carry migraine medicines. Then allergies and stuff. Yeah, these are the medicines I had to carry. Yeah, with that you can get band-aid medicines. So yeah, let's get back on the video. So that's about it, the things that you can get from UK. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer to all of y'all if you have any relevant doubts. And with that, then if your friends and all are gifting you something or the other, you gotta make space for that as well, obviously. Yeah, I had so much stuff, but the best part was after some time my mom was gonna come, so she carried some stuff for me as well, which I couldn't carry. But that was a plus point for me. But if your situation works like that, then that's good. But then if you're just gonna be alone and for a long time, you're gonna be alone, then it's better that you just minimize the things that you have. Yeah, I think that's about it. If you have any doubts, make sure to put it in the comments. I hope this video was helpful for everyone, and all the best for your journey. If you're gonna come as a student, if you're coming to work, if you're doing anything around, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more and more content about UK, because now that I'm back, I'm gonna make more and more content about some useful things that you should know about the UK or anything like that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.